Hi guys, my name is Laura. I am the owner of Shey Wellness and I am a massage therapist, nutritionist, and yoga instructor. Today I want to talk about glutamine. So glutamine is an amino acid that our body can produce, but we often need to supplement or should supplement with this amino acid to help preserve our protein stores in our body. This is an important supplement for our intestinal health, and it is also a food source for our immune system. So low stores of glutamine can compromise our immune system. And when our body is actually low, it will break down active muscle tissue to release the amino acids in the muscle. So it'll take from stores it shouldn't, right? Glutamine helps maintain the barrier between the inside of your intestines and the rest of you, so it protects against leaky gut, which most of us are dealing with, unfortunately. This is an essential amino acid in the maintenance of your intestinal health, so if you heal your gut, it will mean you are strengthening your immune system. This is a critical nutrient to take in times of stress, as your system will be more taxed during that time. Glutamine is also needed to make other chemicals in the body, like other amino acids, for example. Some studies suggest that if you take glutamine, it can actually reduce post-workout muscle soreness, but it does not actually increase muscle growth, which some people seem to think. There are two different kinds of glutamine you can get, L-Glutamine and D-Glutamine. L-Glutamine is the one that you want. You can purchase it in a pill form or a powder form. I personally prefer the powder. Just because I can mix it into my smoothies or into my post-workout protein shake, which is very easy. If you have any questions or need help with your digestion or your immune system, or have any questions about your health in general, please feel free to reach out to me. I offer personalized online nutrition programs, and I would love to hear from you and work with you. Any feedback or comments you would have are also appreciated, and I hope you found this helpful. Thanks.